Request our Honorable Mr. Justice Sunder Mohan to felicitate the young entrants. Please, Lordships.
My esteemed colleagues, Justice Mala, Justice Sounder, Justice Kumaresh Babu, Chairman of the Bar Council members, Mr. Vidudalai, Senior Advocate, Mr. Vivekanandan, and my dear friends. Frankly, I also thought I'll be called after Justice Mala and Sounder so that I can adopt whatever they said. Anyways, let me first congratulate all of you for on this wonderful occasion. Today is a very important day in your life. From tomorrow, you are going to be lawyers and officers of the court. You must take pride in that. And when I say officers of the court, you're going to be part of the judiciary. And another interesting thing that you're going to do from tomorrow is wear this black gown. Doesn't it thrill you? I've been wearing this black gown for about 30 years, but yet last year when I was asked to wear the judge's gown, I felt really thrilled about it. On the first day, I'm sure all my colleagues would share the same view. That was amazing feel, and I know that you're going to have the same feel tomorrow when you're going to wear the black gown. With my little experience, I can tell you that this profession has respected all those who have respected it. So you must follow this carefully. If you are sincere to the profession will reward you. This is the first thing that you should all remember. You may choose whatever path you may want to choose, but then if you choose this profession, do it with utmost dedication and not do it in a half-hearted manner. That is very, very important. If you decide to practice, you will have to give your fullest attention to this practice. As Mr. Vidudalai said, that this is not like any other profession, and this no doubt will not reward you immediately. Please remember that. Don't get worried about it. This is a skill that you are going to acquire. Now this skill will take some time for you to acquire. This takes a process. You cannot acquire it overnight. So till then you will have to be patient and keep working. That is where you have to concentrate on, and if you decide to practice, this sacrifice you must be prepared to do for the initial years. Now, what is it that you have to do to acquire the skill? You will have to first join a senior's office. This is very, very important for two reasons. You may be academically brilliant, you may have participated in moot competitions, you may have argued very well, but then being in a senior's office gives you two things. Continuous work. Now, if you start practicing on your own from the beginning, you may not have continuous flow of work. So your presence in court will be not continuous. It will be scattered, and therefore there is a possibility of your losing interest in the profession. If you are in the senior's office, there is a possible chance of being in the court and in the court premises continuously, and that very presence will give you a lot of knowledge. If you are free, you go and sit in a court, it may not help you today. It may help you 20 years later. One may not know. I can tell you today as a judge, many of the principles that we are laying down was heard by me about 20-30 years ago when I was sitting in court somewhere. Now that all those information and knowledge is now helping me. So that you have to ensure. Therefore, being in a senior's office is a must. Secondly, you must get the practical hands-on experience. Now, as I told you, you may be a brilliant student, moot court, etc. You would have participated, but practical experience is a must. See, it's akin to learning driving in a driving school. When you are in college, it is like driving in a driving school. He takes you to the best of the roads. He takes you to empty ground to teach you, the driver, the tutor. But when you come to the court, it is akin to driving in a main road. You will have two buffaloes crossing in between. You have to manage that. You will have a fellow coming on the wrong side. You will have persons breaking the signal. So this experience you would get only if you join a senior's office. So I would request all of you to be part of the judiciary. When I say part of the judiciary, not necessarily be judges. As lawyers, you are part of the judiciary, and give your fullest, utmost dedication to this profession, and all the very best to you, and all of you will do well. Be confident, be patient, you will do well. Thank you very much.